Mother, the most beautiful word on the lips of mankind. There is no influence so powerful as that of the mother. A mother's arms are more comforting than anyone else's. All that I am, or ever hope to be, I owe to my angel mother. A mother is the one who fills your heart in the first place. Mother is one to whom you hurry when you are troubled. A mother's love is more beautiful than any fresh flower. A mother's arms are made of tenderness and children sleep soundly in them. A mother is she who can take the place of all others but whose place no one else can take. A mother's happiness is like a beacon, lighting up the future but reflected also on the past in the guise of fond memories. The art of mothering is to teach the art of living to children. If love is as sweet as a flower, then my mother is that sweet flower of love. Mother's love is peace. It need not be acquired, it need not be deserved. Being a full-time mother is one of the highest salary jobs since the payment is pure love. When you look at your mother, you are looking at the purest love you will ever know. There is no way to be a perfect mother, and a million ways to be a good one. There is no velvet so soft as a mother's lap, no rose as lovely as her smile, no path so flowery as that imprinted with her footsteps. A mother is clothed with strength and dignity, laughs without fear of the future. When she speaks, her words are wise and she gives instructions with kindness. Motherhood, all love begins and ends there.